second grade. Today we're going to be doing something called spin art, and we're going to be working with the three primary colors, red, yellow, and blue. These are the colors we need to buy at the store, but also these are the colors that will mix any other colors. So number 3, chairs, you need to go through the paint drive-through and grab these 3 colors on a blue tray. You also need to go and get water and paintbrushes for your table to share, and possibly even a blue washcloth to wipe off hands. The rest of us at the drive-thru, what you need to grab is a messy mat, 2 paper plates, and if there's stuff on the paper plates, that's not a worry, and 2 pieces of white paper. Before I start painting, I'm going to write my name on my paper so that I do not forget. Miss G and my class code. Miss G and my class code. I'm going to put these 2 papers off to the side, and I'm going to pull out the plate. This is the inside of my plate where the food usually goes. I'm actually going to be painting on the back side of the plate, the part where I usually hold on to it. Today what you're going to be doing is painting your plate with the 3 primary colors, any way you would like. Now, your goal is not to let the colors mix for right now. They're just going next to each other, not on top. So I'm going to fill my plate with some red. Kind of laying the paint down a little bit thicker than I normally would because I'm going to be doing something that's called a print, kind of. I'm going to be printing what is on my plate, the colors and the paints, off onto my paper. I'm ready to switch colors, so that means that I need to wash my brush really well. So in my water cup, it bounces at the bottom. If it drips, I wipe it on the lip, and I might even dab it off on the blue rag to make sure there's no red left. Because when I use yellow, yellow is a really light color, I don't want to mix red with yellow. Okay. Notice how my paintbrush ballerina is just dipping into the paint. She is not acting like a shovel and scooping, just a dip. That's enough. Trying to keep the paint on her toes. Okay, and I'm ready for some blue, so jumping in the bottom of the cup. If it drips, wipe it on the lip, clean it off on the blue rag. My last primary color is blue. Dip in the paint, unpaint back and forth, back and forth. I'm trying really hard to leave a little bit of space in between because I don't want to mix these colors at this time. All right, so with that, what's going to happen is I'm going to kind of move this off to the side without getting tons of paint on my hand, put my white paper down, and I need to flip this over onto my white paper. I'm working really carefully and slowly so that I don't make a huge total mess. Okay, grabbing the edge, I flip. I'm trying to get it into the center, so notice how I'm not just flopping it over. Get it as close to the middle as I can. I'm going to hold with one hand, put my right hand on top, and spin my